My name is Allison Malkin. I'm a practicing cross-border family and workplace mediator. For over 10 years, I've lived and worked in various countries around the world, having an opportunity to learn about new cultures and new people, discover new ways of doing things, and understand different perspectives to the ones that I may have held before. On the 23rd of June, I'll be holding a workshop that looks at exploring mediation and culture. I'd love for you to join me as we delve deeper into ourselves, taking a moment to consider the environments from which we come, the lenses with which we see the world, and how culture has played a part in developing our sense of identity, the values and the beliefs that we hold. When we develop our self-awareness, it helps us walk into every mediation room with a nuanced view. And as we move further through the day and take time to explore the prevailing cultural theories as linked to culture, we will understand the landscape in a new way, considering the context where we find ourselves, considering whether a client is coming from a more collectivist or individualistic culture. How does power influence their culture? Are they direct or indirect in their communication style? And as we take all of this on board, we'll take a look at real intercultural mediation case examples from my own work, and I would encourage from your own work as well. And through this collective wisdom, we will seek to resource ourselves in a new way, ending the day with more tools in our kit to take forward in our mediations. We all understand culture because we all come from culture. Each of us in our own way has something to contribute. And it is fascinating to consider this when we talk about who we're dealing with in mediations and how differing cultures manage conflict in differing ways and the kinds of conversations that can emerge from sensitive management of culture. It'd be great if you would join me on this journey, and I hope to see you in June.